This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. In QuickBooks Time, you have the option to add on features to your account to make time tracking even easier. Let's go over the options in the Feature Add-on section and give you a quick overview of what some of the options do. To get started, select Feature Add-ons. Approval Preferences is where you turn on the option for your team members to view and submit their own timesheets for approval. You can also set up or manage any timesheet submission or approval reminders that you'd like QuickBooks Time to automatically send to your team. Breaks is where you set up any paid or unpaid breaks, like lunch or rest breaks, that your team needs to track on their timesheets. And with custom fields, your team can track extra details on their timesheets, like mileage, equipment, tasks, and more. If your company uses a schedule for tracking shifts, go to Schedule Preferences to set up the company-level permissions for who can view and manage your team's schedule. In Timecard Selector, you have the option to choose which time entry tools are displayed for your team, and which tool is a default tool your team sees when they sign in. You can set up time-off codes to track accruals for vacation, holiday, and sick leave for each employee. And finally, select Manage Add-ons to manage preferences for add-ons you've already installed. You'll also find options for new add-ons. If you use payroll software like Sage or ADP, you can set up that integration here. But if you use QuickBooks, you'll need to set up that integration from your QuickBooks account instead. We'll share the videos at the end of this one to show you how. And you can browse and install all other add-ons like the Time Kiosk, Timesheet Rounding, Overtime Alerts, and more. Now you have a better understanding of what you'll find in the Feature Add-ons menu.